Yo, what's cracking, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Y'all see the title. We're gonna be working on the G today. We're gonna be doing two simple, easy mods on the car, which aren't expensive at all. So any G35, G37 owner out there, I highly recommend you do these two things just because they add a nice little touch to the car and it doesn't cost you that much at all. So what we're gonna be focusing on today are the ghost shadow lights, which are basically the door lights. Instead of having a plain light on the ground, it gives you a logo, which I think is really sick, and it will add a nice little luxury touch to the car. Over here we have a tail as turn. What this is basically going to do is it's going to switch the OEM turn signal to the rings. So you know that little circle light, which I'm going to show you in a second, that blinks and it kind of looks out of place. We're going to be switching it to the rings, and I think that's going to look so much better just because they're LEDs and they're not that little small light in the tail light. So I figured I'd just show y'all the tail light instead of me just talking and y'all don't know what I'm saying. So this right here is the turn signal right now. What it's gonna switch to is this ring right here, and then this one as well. And those are LED bulbs, so they're gonna look way better. I'm a sucker for LED turn signals. I don't know why. I just think LED is the way to go. And then right here you guys could see I've already replaced the reverse lights. Other things I did was the license plate lights, replaced those as well. They're all LEDs now, and then I did the interiors as well. And don't start tripping, I am going to give you guys a full little walk around once it's nighttime, so you guys get the full experience on how the lights look. But as of right now, I just want to do the install because, you know, I'm going to be mobbing out later and I want to have these two things done on the car before I head out. So first thing we're going to start off with are the door lights, which are right here. I just replaced them with white LEDs, and then I found out about the logo lights, and now we're going to be throwing those on. So here it is. That's what we're switching out. I already did the passenger side yesterday night just because I wanted to see how it looked and couldn't wait. Here are the LEDs on the interior. Obviously it doesn't look as good right now because it's too bright outside, but we're going to get started on this. You can either use a flathead to take this out or your nails. I usually am able to take it out with my nail, so I'm gonna just use that. All right, let's get it. So let's see if I'm be able to take this out with my nail. Oh, there you go. Super easy, literally comes right out. And then you have one clip right here. Hopefully you guys could see that. Just gonna take that out, and there you have it. Your bulb or your little light, door light, is out. So here is the brand new light we're going to be installing. That's going to give us a nice logo on the ground, same size and everything, so it should fit solid. The other side fit perfectly, so I'm expecting the same. Literally plugs right in, and there's no click, but it should be good. Yep, light is on and we're good. Shove that in there like that. And there it is. Super easy install for the door lights. Let's close that up. So here's the one that's going to take a little longer. It shouldn't be that long though. Probably the most time consuming part's going to be popping out the panels. So before I start doing the install, I think it should be a wise choice to show you how it looks before. Left turn signal with the brake. Alright y'all, those were the OEM turn signals. Now we're going to swap them out and see how they look with the other ones. Let's get this tail as turn module done. So first things first, gonna have to take off one pin right here and one right here. So I used a flathead, couldn't do it with my nails this time. So there's that, and there's that. And now we're just gonna pull this back right here and then pull that carpet back, and I'll pick up the camera once I have this out. Pulled the carpet back and we see this connector right here, and we're just gonna disconnect that one. And once you have it disconnected, you're just gonna plug in either one of these that fits into each of the plugs. One side's like that and the other one is like that, and you just add the two together and we should be done. And just like that, they are all connected. And right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just grab some 3M tape and probably just mount this. Just want to show y'all the finished product. I mounted that little box, the resistor right there, and no wires are being pulled, no tension, so we should be ready to go. Easy ass install, seriously. Right now I'm gonna do a little compare and contrast. The right side is obviously still stock, and the left side I just switched over. So here's how it's gonna look. The right side's gonna be like that, and the left side's gonna use the rings as the turn signal. Just hit the hazards right now so you guys could see. Makes the car look so much newer. Like, this is that old shit, man. You ain't, like, what even is that? Crazy difference. Y'all, I'll pick up this camera probably a little later. I do have plans to go to the movies, and then we're gonna hit up this little restaurant. So by that time it will be dark, and I'll be able to show you guys how the lights look on both sides, and I'll do a little full procedure like braking, turn signaling, and all that other stuff, because some people start tripping that these are the brake lights and using them as the turn signals isn't the best idea to do. But you know, once you see it in person and see how it looks, it's not that big of a deal in my opinion. Can't even tell that side's even on, so it's kind of like a safety hazard rolling with the OEM. With this one, someone's for sure gonna notice. Alright y'all, just got done with the movie, and right now we're at a gas station. I'm about to pump some gas. Figured I'd show you guys how the G currently looks like. So those were the LED plate lights I was talking about. Obviously right here you can't really tell because it's already bright, but these shits are stupid lit. I've swapped over the 370Z Nismo wheels onto this car, and the fitment's pretty damn good. I think this side needs to be a little lower compared to this side. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but it does look like this is a little lower than the left side. And put the touring wheels on the front. The reason why I didn't put the Nismos on here yet is because the 10.5s in the rear are just way too aggressive. Damn, bro, all these cars. But the 10.5 Nismos are super aggressive on this car, and I'm gonna need to get some different tires put on them. Otherwise, it's for sure gonna rub. I'm thinking like a 245 or 55 up front should be cool. Man, I love the way this car is coming along, and I haven't really even done anything to it, but damn. Give y'all a couple more looks, and also gonna show you guys, man, so many cars, holy shit. I'm gonna show you guys the door lights right now. So there they are. Look pretty damn sick if you ask me. And again, it's bright over here, so kind of makes the emblem look a little dim, but trust me, it's bright as hell. But yeah, y'all, there it is. This gas station lighting is doing the whip justice. Damn, can't believe I own this car. Like, for real, it's just insane to me. And don't think I forgot about the taillights, the turn signal mod. I'm gonna show you guys that in just a second. And I don't know what's going on behind me. I think they're having some type of concert Saturday night in San Jose. You already know what be going down. All right, now that it's pitch black, I could finally show you guys the emblem lit up itself. And there it is, stupid bright. And it's pretty damn clear too, so definitely recommend getting this. Can't go wrong for like 10-15 bucks. And now moving on to the tail lights, I'm gonna basically demonstrate how they look with just the turn signal on and no lights running, so not the nighttime mode. And after that, we're gonna show y'all the reverse lights, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn the headlights on and then hit the turn signals with the brake as well. All right, now y'all could see in full effect how bright the freaking license plate lights are. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I apologize if I sound a little tired right now. I was watching the movie for like 2 hours, and I can't remember the last time I've been to the movies, and I'm just completely burnt out now. No energy at all. Anyways, like I was saying, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe if you are new, and share this video with someone else who has a G35 and needs to do these mods. And again, I'll be sure to link everything down in the description below. Man, I can't even talk right now. If you are interested, highly recommend it. I mean, both of these things cost me under probably like $80, so can't go wrong. Let's see that infinity logo just one more time. Yeah, never gets old. Yeah, man, that's it. I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, there's so much more planned for the G. I can't wait to get started. This is just the beginning, you know, little stuff here and there, but I will be doing other stuff real soon. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.